Hey guys, and it's me, Morgan, from the Country Bear Tours, and today we're at the Port Orleans French Quarters Resort. This is the South Quarter Arcade. If you guys don't know where you are, can't determine Riverside from French Quarters is going to be the one themed around the Mardi Gras, with the alligators in the back down near the pool. As I walk into this arcade, you can see it's a deep, wide variety arcade. Has a lot of games. For me, I prefer more games than less, so that'll keep me busy for a while. This arcade has a bonus. In the back corner, it has a secret room. Not really secret, but it's kind of secret. I'll show you guys that later on. One last look at the main section. And here we're heading into the secret room. Once again, not really secret, but fun to call it a secret room. This room has more games, about 10 more, give or take. And 10 more could be the make it or break it of which arcade I'm going to on that rainy day. It also has 2 entrances and exits. One in the front, one in the back. Let's say you don't want to go out where you came from and you want to just go straight into the resort. You got that option because there is a secondary entrance/exit. And if you guys like this arcade, I'd recommend heading over to Port Orleans Riverside. Over there, they got the Medicine Show Arcade. Quite similar to this one, but twice the size. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.